Ko Sophie toka i koa, kei te whare toka o Otago Museum. Hello, my name is Sophie and I'm a science communicator at Otago Museum, and today I'm going to show you how we care for one of my favourite animals in the tropical forest, the fish. These are goldfish, which are a member of the carp family and native to East Asia. Goldfish are common household pets. Many of you might have had one of your own. There's a common myth that goldfish can live in a small bowl or aquarium, as they will only grow to the size of the tank they're in. Unfortunately, while they might stop growing when they reach a certain size, they will experience negative health effects. Goldfish can actually grow upwards of 30 centimetres and need a lot of space to do so. Luckily, here in the tropical forest, our fish have plenty of space to swim and grow. Another thing they need a lot of is oxygen. As there is much less oxygen in water than in air, we have to make sure the water is well aerated. Our waterfall helps to take care of that by agitating the surface of the water, increasing the rate of gas exchange. We also need to make sure that the water in the pond is healthy for the goldfish to live in. We do this by testing levels of ammonia, which comes from fish waste, as well as nitrite, nitrate, and pH. If you have fish at home, it's important that you do this too. Goldfish are gregarious, which means that they are social and like to live with other fish. Another common myth about goldfish is that they don't live very long. When kept in the right conditions, goldfish can live for more than 10 years. One thing that may surprise you is that the goldfish are actually one of the main predators in the tropical forest. Goldfish are opportunistic feeders and do a lot of foraging in the pond, looking for plant matter and invertebrates to eat. Sometimes, when the butterflies reach the end of their life, they fall into the pond, providing a snack for the fish. Now don't worry, we don't expect our fish to get by on butterfly snacks alone. They're fed every day while we care for all of the animals in the tropical forest. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more of the museum online. We hope to see you when we can back at the museum, but for now, take care.